I got a fresh sample of pond water the other day, and when taking a look at it under the microscope, I encountered something pretty cool. Let me show you what I saw. This ciliate you see here is called a Dileptus, and they're one of the top predators in the microcosmos. They use this little wiggly snout formerly called a proboscis to sweep around the water in hopes of coming in contact with something to eat. In this case here, the stentor unfortunately stumbled by it and got a good chunk taken out. The stentor should be fine though, since they're super regenerative. The Dileptus looked around a bit and finally found the piece it had gotten from the stentor and started eating it immediately. Their proboscis is filled with toxicists that allow it to take these chunks out of their prey. Stentors are very large compared to other things in the microcosmos, so it doesn't matter what size you are, the Dileptus is something microscopic creatures would want to avoid. Another stentor unfortunately came back around, and the Dileptus was able to have a second meal. And after the cell got finished eating, it was starting to look a little round compared to before. I thought this was great footage and really wanted to share. As always, let me know what you'd like to see next down below, and thanks for watching.